Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install headlights on your Dodge Challengers. Now this is my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. I got some headlights here that I was sent. Now I'm going to be running you through a quick and easy installation. Something like on these cars, it takes like 10 minutes. One thing that is actually kind of easy with these cars is changing the headlights. So I'm going to be running you through how to install them and a quick review on these headlights. So you see here I got the Auxito LED headlights. This is a 9012 bulb. That's the type of bulb that my Challenger calls for. It's 100 watts. So when the car was in the accident and when the whole front end was replaced, I did get some LED bulbs to put in it. Now I kind of had high expectations for them, but they really let me down. I think they're only like 4,000 or 5,000 lumens a piece, which isn't all that bright. And I'll show you here at the end a comparison video to where they are now to where the new bulb is. These new bulbs, they're 20,000 lumens a set. So that's 10,000 lumens a piece, which is crazy. It's the cool white, the 600K cool white is, I guess, the color. You can check these out. I will show you guys on the website. I was sent these, so it is sponsored. I'm very grateful. My first sponsorship. Thank you so much to Auxito. They sent me these headlights. The website is super easy to navigate. You go on the website, you put in your make, model, and year of your car, whatever it be. For me, it was the 2015 Dodge Challenger. And you pick the spot on where you want your bulbs. They have bulbs for absolutely everything that you could ever need. So I chose to put some headlights in this because I know I needed them. They have over 150 5-star reviews on this headlight alone. So that just goes to prove to show you how good these headlights are. They have a 50,000 hour lifespan. Like I said, I'm just excited to see how bright these look with them being 10,000 lumen a bulb. So a huge thanks to Auxito for sending me these bulbs. So I'm going to get under the hood here, show how quick and easy it is to install these headlights on the car. I'm really excited to see how bright these 20,000 lumen headlights are. So let's pop the hood and get to work. Cars were made with changing headlights in mind. As you can see just down here, I can try and get you a shot. It's hard to get in here. This is the cap and the module for the headlights. There you can see there's the headlight. Simple enough. You reach in, you twist it one way. They're keyed almost. They're keyed. You twist it, and out they come. They're actually super easy to pull out. And then you just have your connector. Here's your connector. It has little teeth on the top. You can see this little tooth. All you have to do, you need two hands kinda. You can see this little lip right here. You pull up that lip and then you pull out the connector for the headlight and they are free. So they are, bam, simple enough. Like I said, when it was done and its complete front end was torn apart, I did put some LED headlights in. They're just not bright at all. Even the high beams just didn't do it for me. So luckily, friends over at Auxito here sent me a good headlight. So let's pop these open and see what we got. Okay, so here's what we got when it comes in the box. We got some gloves to handle the bulbs. You got your constructions here. And these are the bulbs themselves. Let's take a look. You can see that's where the connector goes in. There's the bulb. You can see they have these teeth on each end. Now that's how you stick them in down here in the headlight housing. You just have to find the key that has the big one. You stick them in and you twist it to lock it. So it's super easy. Then you plug them in, no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Kind of need two hands, so it's hard to record, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, we got both bulbs. These are both the old bulbs. They are out, new bulbs are in. Luckily, I have these sort of tray areas I can take out with the old Dodge Fancy Dancy cup holders. These pop out super easy, the way you can get your hands in down here. All I have to do is last cup right here. This is just to suction them off, keep the moisture out. Tie it in here. Just a quick preview here. There we go. We got two brand new working headlights. Super easy to install. Okay, so now that we have both of the brand new headlights installed, if you really wanted to get into it, you could pull the bumper off. At least for my car, you pull the bumper off and that makes it a lot easier. It does get a little finicky when trying to get these seated the correct way, but if you just spend some time and you have a little bit of patience, they just lock right in and you twist, so no problem. I'm going to finish buttoning up the front end here, put the trays back in, get the old bulbs out and close them up, and then we will see what the comparison is between my 4,000 or 5,000 headlights that were in it and the new 10,000 a piece, 20,000 total lumen headlights from Auxito. Okay, so this is the before shot of the headlights that are in the car. They are an LED bulb. I believe they're like 4,000 or 5,000 lumens. I don't quite remember. They aren't that bright. The camera does a pretty good job. It actually looks a little bit brighter through the phone than it does in actual time. I put these headlights in when the front end of the car was wrecked. This is low beam, high beam. That turns off the fog lights. Back to low beam. So this is the before, and wait till we see the after with the new Auxito 10,000 lumen headlights. All right, so here we are pulling up with the headlights. Just want to give it a good quick showcase here what the headlights look at when I'm driving. There's the high beams. Do a quick another one here, but this is already an improvement as I was just driving. I wanted to just take it out for a small spin before giving it a real good showcase here against the side of the building. But this is what they look like. You can see all the way out to that tree line there. Low beams, high beams, they shoot far. Okay, so here we are in the car with the new headlights from Auxito. This is the low beam and the high beam. Just look at how bright that building is lit up. It's a night and day difference compared to the old LED headlights. These are 10,000 lumens a piece on the headlight bulb. So you get 10,000 lumens on both sides, and they are absolutely bright. It just blows up that building with light. Crazy. Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. A huge shout out to Auxito for sending me these headlights. I'm very pleased with how these headlights turned out. The difference is night and day. You can get yourself these headlights with 15% off with using the link in my description. These headlights actually blew my expectations out of the water. I am very happy. As you can see the difference in comparison, you cannot go wrong. They're also doing some good Black Friday deals, Christmas deals, cyber, whatever kind of deals. Do not miss out on getting yourself a good pair of headlights. It does not have to be specific to a Dodge Challenger. They have for all makes and models. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day. We'll see you later.